on to USD Swiss, we can see that we have now had that break of structure towards the upside, and therefore this is our current swing range. Now we have got major points of liquidity here, here, and here, which all look like they could be the next fuel to push price in towards the upside. However, though, because we are trading after this break of structure, I would like to see some downside towards these levels before looking for any potential positions. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is that's our 4-hour break of structure, and this is our 4-hour swing range. Now, ideally, we would at least like to see this low here get taken, but it could just be that this low here is the fuel that could push price back in towards the upside. You'll just have to monitor prices at each of these levels and look for a potential position. I do think overall, though, it's going to need a lot more development time and probably will not be looking for any positions for the remainder of this week. Moving on to USD Yen, we can see on the 4-hour time frame that we are trading after that 4-hour break of structure, and we are trading at 162.352, as we've been saying now for like the last 2, 3, 4 weeks. We are anticipating an intervention at these levels, so it's just not a pair that I am actively trading. Finally, we've got USD CAD, and on the daily time frame, we can see this is our break of structure, and this is the swing range that we are trading within. Now we are very overextended, and there's no real clear points of liquidity within this impulse. So I would just like to see us get down to at least the 50% of the fib. Maybe just taking out this point of liquidity here before then looking for any potential long positions. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had that 4-hour break of structure. As you can see, we've had that 4-hour break of structure, and this is our current swing range that we are trading within. Now the clear points of liquidity are like this low and these lows here, but that is some distance away, and we might not actually get down there before then pushing up higher again, as we know that the Canadian dollar is relatively weak and the United States dollar is relatively strong.